everyone, it's nice to meet you. My name is Elishai and I'm 22 years old this year. I'm currently a second year student who's studying Bachelor of Business Accounting in Swinburne. I chose this particular unit because I'm interested in accounting and calculation. I absolutely enjoy calculate money too. Of course, my mother has affected me a lot since I was a child because she worked as an accounting positions, and sometimes I will help her with her work, so she encouraged me to study in accounting. Yeah, so now let's go to the purpose of this presentation video, which is talking about the global byte group and 10 steps of controlling product costing using SAP. Now I give a brief overview of the global byte group. First, let's see the background and history of Global Byte Group. Global Business operates with complete ERP capabilities. It is merged from two companies, Frankenstein Bytes and Heidelberg Composites, by John Davis and Peter Schwartz in US and Germany, and formed Global Byte Group in 2001. For strategy, John and Peter are co-CEOs. John is responsible for reporting, sales, marketing, service and support, IT, finance, and human resources, sells items and generates revenue. Peter oversees research, design, procurement, and manufacturing groups. The brand focuses on quality, toughness, and also performance for both professional and prosumer cyclists in touring and off-road racing. This is the organizational structure, which divided into overview the overall organizational structure and the human resources for US and Germany. Next, let's see the product, which is categorized into trading goods and also raw materials. Other than that, it is also divided into semi-finished goods and finished goods. Here's come business partners of Global Byte Group. First, the customer for US and Germany. Secondly, the business partners of Global Byte Group is vendors for US and also Germany. This slide shows the business processes, which included fulfillment, procurement, production, financial accounting, controlling, human capital management, inventory and warehouse management, enterprise asset management, customer service, and also project management. Lastly, cross-functional integrations refers to the collaboration of persons who represent distinct functional organizations to cross-functional teams. The first process integration is the order-to-cash process, which included sales and distribution, materials management, and financial accounting. For the second integration is procure-to-cash process, which only included materials management and financial accounting. Let me now talk about the 10 steps of controlling product costing through SAP for Global Byte Group. Step 1 consisted of creating a variant of the deluxe touring bike in black color. The first image depicts the creation of a new product, which is the XTR4910, which represents the white color bike variation. This was done using information from the black bike variant. The second graphic depicts the overall information or data of the deluxe touring bike in white color. In step 2, I make a white frame using new material. This frame will be utilized as materials for the new deluxe touring bike in white color. The image below shows the creation of the material of TRFR4910 in Create Master Data Record, and the image above is the overall data of the material. Step 3 involves extending the newly developed materials for cost and calculation.
This was accomplished through SAP's Material Change app. The first image illustrates the view selection option cost 1. In the second image, check boxes for amount, structure, and material origin, and also width. This enables accurate costing for new materials in future steps. In this phase, I developed a new BOM for Deluxe Touring Bike White. The BOM lists all necessary components for creating the product, which is crucial for material requirements, production planning, sourcing, and also costing. I developed a new process for the Deluxe Touring Bike White routine detail. This stage is required for production, including the sequence of operations and work centers involved. I face a problem in this step where the item 0020 is not shown in the second image. In step 6, I generate a cost estimate for the White Deluxe Touring Bike. This requires determining the cost of a reputable manufacturer per unit using the BOM, and establishing SP production routes. In this step, my estimate cost is different for some reason, where my cost estimate is $926.09, which is shown in the image above. In the next step, I utilize the price update tool to transfer the computed product cost to the material master record for cost estimation. This step requires indicating the cost estimate. However, my data in the image above is not complete, where my data only have one column, but there were a total of 3 column data in the guidelines provided. In step 8, I review the plan price. The material master record shows the plan pricing for the deluxe touring bike. This helps compare the plan to the current price. As my cost estimate is different, so the current price also different, which is $732.05. The following step is to release the price, finalize the cost estimate, and update the material master record to reflect the new standard cost. Here were some differences too, although I had totally followed the guideline provided. The final stage involves reviewing current pricing in the material master record to verify accurate cost estimation. So now is reflection time.
Through the first assignment, I learned about how to use LinkedIn Learning to learn more about Tableau, Power BI, Excel, business intelligence, and business intelligence for consultants. I learned about the differences between employing AI for visualizations and Copilot and Gemini. This is valuable resource for data management. In assignment 2, I learned how to regulate product costs using SAP. These instructions gave a step-by-step roadmap for product costing, which was extremely useful in visualizing the entire business process from start to finish. However, I had some issues in step 5, which result in my cost estimate and other data being inconsistent with the guidelines provided. So I decided to reset my account, but for some reason it couldn't be reset. So I changed my account from 910 to 990, but the difficulties remain the same, so I just used back my original account, which is 910, to continue my work. Overall, I am grateful to Madam Wong and Pei Woon for assisting me with this assignment and resolving the issues I had. That's all for me today. Thank you for watching the video. See you. Bye.